Hi guys, welcome back to your Not So Ordinary Scrapbook channel. I know it's been 2 weeks since my last video. I have not been feeling very well. I kind of had the stomach flu 2 weeks ago. The baby had RSV, and so it's just crazy busyness of the season. So plus we're ripping out our bathroom, the guy's bathroom. I noticed when I was cleaning the tub the last week that the tub is cracked. So the guys can no longer shower in there. So I bought a new tub, bought tile to go around it, bought everything that's new hardware for faucet and shower and all that stuff. But so we still have to rip it out. Hopefully Sunday this will get done, because we don't know how to do this process. I mean, I could probably figure it out by watching YouTube videos. I've watched a few on how to rip it out anyway. But to install it, I begged my dad to come. And so I told him, I said, if you can just walk us through it, we can do it. So they're coming for my birthday. My birthday is on Thanksgiving this year. So they're not coming on Thanksgiving. They're coming that weekend. And then they're going to be here for the trial, for Esmeralda's trial on the 29th. So that'll be nice, just to show Hunter support, since it's a paternity trial. Well, it's not really, it's a custody trial. It's not, paternity has already been established. So anyway, I wanted to show you my new file system. It's still messy in here, but I've been working hard. You can't really tell at this point because I still feel like it's messy. But I do have this area organized. I got this file cabinet for free from the 4-H office. They were getting rid of it. They asked all the 4-H people if they wanted it. I guess I was the first one to comment. I saw it and I was like, oh man, that would work in my office. So, we got it, and I think that it's going to be a good organizational piece for in here. I already have it organized. The rest of my office isn't quite organized quite yet, because, you know, when you're working in one area, the other area kind of gets messed up. If you're like me. But the top drawer, I have all my stamping stuff. So I have my blocks, my miss, my my acrylic stamps, all my close to my heart stamps, and then all my markers, color pencils that were color coordinated that I did when I had the table in here. So I just left those color coordinated and put them all there. And in the second drawer, I have all my letters. They are filed by color. So I have all of those in here. I really like this organizational system for that, specifically for letter stickers. And then this one I have for washi tape and some of these tools that I haven't used. I have some little embellishments under there, and I have some other embellishments. This is my fuse tool that I've never used. I'm hoping to get to this year. So these are just all other things. And then this bottom drawer, I have all of my block stamps. So I have all of my block stamps. These are all letters. This is my booper with all the booper parts. and then stamp cleaner and wipes to clean the stamps, and another set of stamps down there. So, and then these are bigger letter stamps from Close to My Heart. And that's pretty much it. So this is really the only organizational area I can show you. I'll show you the rest of the office later, but yeah. But I wanted to come on here real quick and at least say hello, tell you that I'm still alive, and that I'm just busy cleaning and organizing aside from work, and kids are getting well. I had Jordan for a week when Kaysen had RSV, and he has GI issues, and so it wasn't a problem, but he threw up an awful lot, and I got very, very worried about him. But I figured out a way to keep him hydrated. I was able to give him bolus feedings like every 15 minutes. I kind of switched off like water and his formula that he gets, because the Kangaroo Joey that he normally uses, it was giving him too much food and he was just throwing it all up. So I don't know if he had a flu, some sort of flu bug, and that's what I caught. But today is actually the first day that I started feeling a little bit better. I'm still really tired, but at least I'm not sick to my stomach anymore. So but that is pretty much it. This is my rack and my medals and stuff. You've seen all this before. But I'm trying to clean off my desk because we had to take the table down in order to get this in here. And that's going to be a workspace. So the big stuff like the typewriter and the sewing machine is there. And then I need to clean out the closet. Most of my like winter clothes that I don't wear are hanging up in this closet and summer clothes, because this is the room that I keep like all the stuff that I don't hardly ever wear. So I probably should get rid of. But I need to get Hunter stuff in here. There's also baby equipment that the babies have outgrown in here as well. But it's a work in progress. I'll get it done. But yeah, Ethan has his senior portraits on Thursday, and so do I. I have my graduation portraits on Thursday. So it's gonna be a busy week. And then next week's Thanksgiving. So Christmas is fast approaching. But I just wanted to wish you all a good week. And hopefully I'll be back soon. I have some ideas of what to scrapbook next or what to do next as soon as this office is in a situation where I can actually scrapbook. Well, it's a work in progress anyway. So, I wanted to let you know that I did mail out the winner's paper, to her, the day that I said I was going to mail it out. So I'm sure she's gotten it by now. That was a long time ago. So that was like a week and a half ago. So, and I knew it was like, when I shipped it, it was, priority, so I know she got it by now. But yeah, so y'all take care, and I thank you all for watching. Bye.